Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over the best ways to detox your lungs naturally. There are 7 different ways, and I'm going to jump right on into it. My name is Justin Vandermark, and I am the Captain Health. So the first way to detox your lungs naturally is steam therapy, which is inhaling steam. The second one is controlled coughing, which is controlling the way you cough, right? You're forcing a cough out. The third way is draining mucus from your lungs. The fourth way is exercise. The fifth way is green tea. The sixth way is eating anti-inflammatory foods. And last but not least, number 7 is chest percussions. So I'm going to just jump into the first 2. This is going to be a mini series of how to detox your lungs. So the first one is steam therapy. And what steam therapy does is you're going to take that nice warm steam, right? And you inhale it. What that's going to do is going to loosen up the mucus inside of your lungs. So then, which will go right to number 2, is controlled coughing. So once your mucus is already loosened up in your chest, you have to control the way you cough, right? So we're going to do it step by step. First, you want to be sitting down for this. So sit down with your feet planted, and you're going to put your arms around your stomach. Once you do that, you're going to lean forward with your head looking a little bit down, and then you're going to try to cough 2 to 3 times. And you're just going to rest and then do that until you feel like you've gotten all that mucus out of your lungs. And what that does is it clears up your airways, so it's easier for you to breathe. Plus, with mucus carries toxins. And the reason why your body's coughing is it knows there's these toxins or these things inside of you that it wants to expel. So by controlling your cough without damaging your lungs, you can cough up this mucus and get these toxins out of your body, which could inflame your lungs, inflame your airways, which could, bring on an asthma attack. So these 2 steps are the easiest ones to do, and they go hand in hand. So you'd have to get some steam, of course, and then breathe that in. And then once you do that a few times and you feel it, you feel the looseness, you can hear it, right? You can hear the mucus in your chest. And then once you follow the steps, sitting down and leaning forward, and then you control your coughing. So when you do cough, remember, you want to kind of push your stomach in a bit while you're coughing, and that does help the cough come out, and it is controlled, and it won't damage your lungs. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll have more detoxes for you coming up for this series. I'll have more asthma videos coming up, and I'll just have just a general health video. So if you just comment down below if there's certain health thing you'd like me to look into, or if I know, so I can make some well-written, well-spoken, right, research for you guys, so this videos will help you in the long run. So put that in the comments. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. There's a lot more to do with asthma, the triggers, the symptoms, and then I'll be getting into more videos like asthma and so on and so forth. So I hope this information helped you a lot. Keep an eye out for more of my videos by hitting that notification bell, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Thanks, guys.